Hello and welcome to Orin-X. In this video we will talk about building web applications with Django and Flask. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment and subscribe to Orin-X. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell down below for more creative videos. Let's start with Django. Django is a high-level web framework that provides a full-featured web development environment. It includes an ORM object relational mapping for database access, a template engine for HTML generation, and many other features that make it easy to build complex web applications. Next up, we have Flask. Flask is a lightweight web framework that's ideal for small to medium-sized web applications. It's flexible and easy to use, and provides the basics that you need to build web applications. Flask is also highly extensible, so you can easily add new features and functionality as your needs change. Both Django and Flask are widely used in the Python community and have large, active user communities. They also both integrate well with other Python libraries and tools, making them ideal for a wide range of web development projects. In conclusion, whether you're looking to build a small web application or a large, complex system, Django and Flask are two of the best options available in the Python ecosystem. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced web developer, be sure to check them out and start building great web applications today. Thanks for joining us for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Orin-X for more creative videos on Python programming and web development. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell.